Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And in today's quick guide, I'm going to be showing you how you can get discounts and promo codes with Under Armour. So if you are looking for great deals and you wish to have the promo codes that will allow you to purchase on discount, this video is for you. So currently, I am actually at the official website of Under Armour. As you can see, underarmour.com. So they have some great deals actually in their website. As you can see here, we have 25% off electric approved backpacks. So you can just scroll down and you go through and look for what best suits your need. As you can see, we have 25% off, we have 25% off, and these are wonderful deals that if you need, you can grab them. The second website I'll be talking about is Coupon Follow. So you go to couponfollow.com/site/underarmour.com, and if you put that in your browser, this web page is going to open, whereby you can see more codes. So it's always good for you to just go through and make the best decision. And for you to actually get the promo code, you just need to say click on show coupon code. And if you click on this, it's going to open and you're going to see the promo code for this particular. So if you want to get up to 40% off, you can see the details as well. You can see the details, and it's going to be direct us to the official Under Armour official store. So, and that's that for Coupon Follow. And the last website I'm going to be showing us today, guys, is we have Hot Took Deals. As you can see, Hot Took Deals. So you go to your browser, open, and then type this URL exactly as it is. You're going to access this web page, and if you scroll down as well, what you're going to see is more deals that you can benefit. And that's it, guys. That's it. Make sure you go through and select a particular discount and the particular code that best suits your need. If this guide helped, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials like this. I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.